Hi there, welcome to another video about Sight-EduPlus. In this video, we're going to be talking about Sight-EduPlus Institution Management. With Sight-EduPlus Institution Management, you can manage your education institution, your training center, your online coaching center, business, and the likes, and many more. With Institution Manager, you can create groups, add users, do attendance management, and timetable. With Sight-EduPlus Institution Management, you can tailor each service to suit your institution and the likes. In this video, we're going to be focusing on group management. So yeah, you can see all your groups. You select the institution there, you can see all the groups. You can create a teacher group, you can create a student group, you can create a super admin group and the likes. Then you can these where you view your groups. You can also create groups. So you select the institution you want to create a group for, you put the group name, the group description. Then make group joinable. So this is in case you want to make this group, someone to join the group, you can actually make this group joinable. Or if you don't make it joinable, then you have to manually add users to the group or send group invites to users. When you make group joinable, you can add a payment link, which means uh, whether you want users to pay to join the group or not. When you're done, you create group and you can you can see the group you created here. Then also you can create group privileges. So when your sub users log in, they don't have any access to any of the service, which means they cannot create, they cannot view things you have created or things other people have created and the like by default. So cited blocks default to denier. So which means you need to explicitly state which group have access to any service. So you select here, you select the institution. I'll select the uh let me select the teacher groups. So uh you are the one to specify which of these privileges you want to assign to the teacher group. You can assign admin privilege, create CBT tests via account created CBT. So you can assign any privileges. So let's go to view privileges. For admin privilege is like root account. We strongly advise that you don't grant this privilege except you trust the person. So these like it can do everything that the root user can do. It said these enable users in the category to or group to have all account privileges, which means you can do anything. You can create CBT, you can create events, create institution, learning, everything. You can also go for um institution related privilege. So let's say you want the person to have admin privileges, but in relation to an institution that you have created, you can give the person institution admin privilege. So, which means if a person is assigned an institution admin privilege, the person will have an admin right in the institution the person is present. So, let's assume the person is in site innovation. So, and the person is assigned admin privilege, the person can do anything in site innovation as regards site innovation. Then you can see all the privileges and their description. So you can give access to create personal tests, create account. So any privilege you see account, it means the person can can view or edit account related. So what I mean is, uh, users are added to institution, but when a user is given an account privilege, it means the user can do things outside the institution, which means a user in one institution can create CBT for another institution. So that's the that's the account privilege. By default, every user can for create every user can only create uh things in their own institution and the likes. So these are all the privileges. You can filter the privileges by the service. So if I want privileges related to CBT, I can see all the CBT privileges. That is all for group management. In the next video, we're going to be talking about user management. Thank you for watching.